आज हम इडली बना रहे हैं and we are doing it today from the market brought batter. I got Kitika's idli dosa batter today. Yeah, it looks good here. Okay. Now for making idli, you require a pot like this. Something like this. Yeah, and I've started the fire. I put some water, about half an inch, and then you need to get it to boil, right, so that the steam comes up. Now you have to stand like this, and there are various idli plates that are used in this stand. The idli plates are something like this. Okay, it has this hollow cavings in this, where you put the idli batter. Now what do is first we'll put all the idli batter in the plates. Okay, let me search for, this is one plate, let me search for the others. Yeah, found it? Okay. So what we'll do is we'll apply a small amount of oil on these plates so that the idlis come out easily. Yeah, that's about right. So there are 4 plates and that's about 1 spoon of oil. So simply grease it, yeah, with the help of a finger, or you can use a brush. Yeah, I'm doing it via finger because that's for my home. Right, that's for my kid and my family, right? So we do it via finger, so that's okay. Yeah, so once you have greased all of this, now it's time to pour the idli batter on this plates, right? So here we go. Let's start pouring the batter. So you just pour enough to fill the plate, the hole, right? And make sure that you are not overfilling, because idlis fluff up, right? Once they are cooked, they become fluffy and they increase in shape and size. Yeah, so you put only the good amount of batter, right? And the sambar video we'll be making next time, because this time it's 8 o'clock here in India at night, and I am preparing this for the dinner. Yeah, we're having dinner as idli today. All those who want to join, they need to cook for their own. Yeah, we can't share the idlis with you. Yeah, so we should be good. So the amount of batter that I had got 3.5 plate of idlis with me. 1, 2, 3, and then this is the half one. So that's good.